What you're about to witness is not just a restoration, it is a resurrection. A forgotten relic, pulled from its premature grave, holds a secret story of decay. Every layer of rust tells a tale of abandonment, a silent testament to years of neglect. But a meticulous deconstruction has begun, the first step in an astonishing transformation. Beneath the scarred exterior, the true potential is waiting to be unlocked. Each component is carefully removed, a puzzle being taken apart to be solved. The cleansing process begins, stripping away the grime of forgotten years. The machine is reduced to its bare essence. The work demands immense precision and patience. Even the electrical heart of the beast must be carefully revived. Modern tools accelerate the daunting task, but the vision remains purely human. Layer by layer, the past is peeled away. Powerful machinery aids in the disassembly, tackling the most stubborn remnants of decay. Every single piece, no matter how small, is methodically saved and organized. Technology and technique must work in harmony. The gearbox, a complex mechanical heart, requieres a delicate touch. Each part presents its own unique challenge. Finally, the wheels are freed from the frame. The deconstruction is nearly complete. A final inventory of the dismantled soul of the machine. The journey of rebirth is about to begin. The bare frame, the motorcycle skeleton, is the foundation for its new life. The wheels, corroded and seized, surrender their ancient bolts. The old, hardened tires are stripped away, making room for a new connection to the road. A chemical bath is prepared, an alchemical solution for purification. The formula is mixed with intention, designed to wash away the sins of the past. The fuel tank is painstakingly ground down, exposing the raw metal beneath the rust. The frame is submerged, a baptism to cleanse it of all impurity. The wheels follow, shedding their rusted skin in the transformative liquid. With the canvas clean, the first color is chosen. A bold choice for a bold new identity. A base coat of gray is applied, the first layer of a new armor. Intricate electronic components are reassembled with surgical precision. A surprising technique is prepared, using sand as part of an electrical process. Parts are bathed in an electrolyte solution, plated with a new resilient surface. And now, a vibrant, fiery red is prepared, a color that promises speed and passion. The wheels are coated in this brilliant new shade, transformed from rusted metal into rolling art. A final rinse ensures a flawless finish, washing away any residual dust. The radiator, bent and clogged, is a testament to a violent past. With the delicate touch of a surgeon, each cooling fin is painstakingly straightened. The exhaust pipe is polished to a mirror shine, its reflection a symbol of the brilliant future ahead. Brake components are reborn in gleaming gold, a fusion of safety and style. The newly coated frame stands ready, a silver skeleton waiting for its heart. The fiery red wheels are reassembled, their new identity taking shape. Precision and force work together as the frame begins to reunite its parts. The gleaming brake disc is carefully installed, a critical piece of the performance puzzle. The front wheel, now complete with golden forks, is a stunning vision of the final goal. Slowly, methodically, the machine comes together. Now, the focus turns to the engine. An open heart surgery on the machine's soul. The old engine block is carefully opened, revealing the secrets of its failure. In a flash of sparks, a stubborn nut is welded, a creative solution to a complex problem. The disassembly of the powerhouse continues. Every component is carefully extracted. The deeper the exploration, the more complex the machinery becomes. The clutch assembly is removed, revealing the intricate guts of the transmission. A hidden world of gears is exposed. The camshaft, the engine's brain, is lifted out. Inside the cylinders, a mysterious green liquid remains, a clue to the engine's demise. An oil line is inspected for blockages, searching for the cause of starvation. With controlled force, the crankshaft is freed. The engine is now fully dismantled. The engine block is sandblasted, a violent process that erases every imperfection. It is then coated in a sleek, protective black, ready for its new life. The engine's internal components, once caked in grime, are meticulously scrubbed and purified. Every surface must be perfectly clean for the rebirth to be successful. The pistons, the very heart of the engine's power, are given special attention. Even the massive crankshaft, the is detailed with a small, precise brush. The carburetor, a maze of jets and passages, is carefully cleared of any obstruction. This painstaking work ensures that air and fuel will once again flow in perfect harmony. All the engine's parts, now pristine, are laid out, ready for the grand reassembly. Fresh, clean oil is the lifeblood of the machine, the first step in bringing it back to life. The reborn crankshaft is lowered into place, the beginning of a mechanical symphony. The polished pistons slide back into their homes, ready to breathe fire once again. The cylinder head is rebuilt with unwavering focus. The camshafts are installed, their precise timing critical to performance. The clutch pack is pieced together, ready to transfer power to the wheel. The reassembly is a slow, deliberate dance. Modern tools ensure every bolt is torqued to perfect specification. The engine is sealed, its heart now fully restored. The gleaming golden radiator is installed, a crown jewel on the revitalized machine. The original vision is reviewed, a reminder of the final, audacious goal. Now, an unconventional process begins. This is not just a restoration, it is a creation. Cement is applied over a wire mesh, a technique more suited to sculpture than mechanics. A new body is being sculpted by hand, formed from this unlikely industrial material. A bonding agent is applied, strengthening the unique new form. The process is methodical, building up layers to create a solid custom shell. The final shape of the new bodywork is now visible, a truly one-of-a-kind design. The mold is carefully separated, revealing the hollow, lightweight shell. Sparks fly as the new body is shaped and refined, the artist's vision emerging from the rough form. The surface is sanded to a smooth finish, preparing the canvas for paint. Every edge is sharpened and perfected with a blade. A primer coat is applied, unifying the sculpted form. Mounting points are precisely drilled, integrating the new body with the original frame. Fine details are etched into the surface, adding a layer of custom texture. Small components are carefully integrated into the new design. The custom shell is test fitted to the frame. Final adjustments are made, ensuring a perfect and secure fit. The piece is bolted into place, a permanent part of the bike's new identity. The vision is rapidly becoming a reality, and now the final color is applied, a stunning, vibrant red that commands attention. The custom bodywork is completely transformed, glowing with its fiery new personality. Finally, the complex nervous system of the machine is laid out, ready for the final connection. The final assembly begins. The handlebars, the rider's point of command, are checked. Brand new components arrive, the last pieces of this extraordinary puzzle. The stunning red bodywork is carefully fitted, merging sculpture and machine. Every detail is handled with care, a testament to the passion behind the project. The machine receives its vital fluids, awakening the newly rebuilt engine. The creation stands complete, a breathtaking fusion of art and engineering. A final check. The resurrection is complete. From ruin, a masterpiece has been born. The ride begins. A forgotten relic, reborn in fire, roars back to life.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at the RESTOR7-15 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.